Good day. Welcome to 5-Minute Lessons with Dan. For our mini lessons in this episode, we will talk about communicating company goals for better productivity. This is part of a series that talks about the different aspects of improving your team's productivity level. Here's an experiment you can do right now. Pick 3 people at random from different departments of your company. Send them an email with this message. Hi, and put the name of the person. I'm working on my communication strategy, and I would like to see how well I've done so far. Could you tell me in your own words what you consider our main goal as a company? Thanks. Send this to 3 people, and do you think you'll get the same answer from all of the 3? If you don't, then you need to work on aligning people towards common objectives or goals in your organization. When you write down goals and share them publicly with others, you are more likely to achieve them because it stays top of mind with people. Give your team a chance to work together to achieve something awesome, something great. This is where cross-functional teams work best. These are people coming from different functions trying to achieve a predefined goal or a predefined objective. If your company's goals are not clear, your team has nothing to focus on. Instead of working towards a bigger picture, they're just finishing tasks and checking items off their checklist or to-do list. There's no meaning or purpose to their daily grind. It's hard to stay motivated when you feel like you're doing busy work or work that is not really relevant to a particular goal or a particular vision. My question to you: what are your company's goals? What are your department's goals? Thank you very much for watching our 5-minute lesson for the day. Stay tuned for more lessons.